Introducing the powerful 3-in-1 combined rice mill. This versatile machine functions milling, grinding and pulverization all in one. Mills rice efficiently. Grinds grains and cereals to fine flour. Perfect for grinding spices and cereals. Compact design, easy to use and maintain. Powerful, efficient and built for farmers and small businesses. You can log on to www.machinepustle.com or call us or message us on the following details.